Why master the one-arm push-up?
The one-arm push-up is a challenging exercise that builds full body strength and stability. It tests your upper body, core, and mental focus. Mastering this movement can improve athletic performance, enhance muscle definition, and boost confidence. However, proper technique and gradual progression are crucial to avoid injury and achieve true, controlled reps.
Perfecting your basic push-up.
Before progressing, a solid foundation in strict push-ups is essential. Focus on form, hands beneath shoulders, body in a straight line, and chest lowering fully to the floor. You should be able to perform at least 20 perfect regular push-ups with controlled movement and no sagging hips. This ensures your body is ready for more demanding variations.
Building strength with progressions.
Gradually increase the challenge with progressive exercises. Start with incline push-ups, where your hands are elevated to reduce body weight load. Move on to archer push-ups, spreading hands wide and shifting weight side to side. Next, try assisted one-arm push-ups with your non-working hand on a raised surface for balance. Each step helps you build strength and confidence.
Mastering technique for the one-arm push-up.
Proper technique is key for safety and results. Place your feet shoulder width or wider for balance. Keep your working hand directly under your chest and engage your core to prevent twisting. Lower yourself slowly until your chest nearly touches the floor. Then press back up with control. Avoid flaring your elbow or collapsing your torso.
Essential tips for success and safety.
Progress patiently to avoid injury. Listen to your body, allowing time for rest and recovery. Strengthen supporting muscles with planks, rows, and grip work. Focus on quality over quantity. One strict rep is more valuable than several sloppy ones. Consistent practice, patience, and attention to form will help you achieve your first true one-arm push-up.